Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna film. We're gonna do a food battle today between me and Kevin. He's gonna make blueberry muffins. I'm gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We're gonna see whose is better in the end. We're gonna be judging by time efficiency, taste, and price and quality. I might film some of the cooking and making process. Okay, bye. Kevin ran out of sugar. He forgot the vanilla. What else is going wrong?
Nothing so far. Nothing up besides.
Meanwhile, I have all my ingredients right here. It's efficient.
Mine's gonna be tastier.
Mine's gonna be cheaper and tastier, so
Hey,
it's better than just being tastier. All right.
that's not true.
Affordable. So I got impatient. I just started making mine. Here's where Kevin's at. I think that's breadcrumbs. I don't know.
Oh, it's butter.
Oh, it's
sugar.
butter and sugar. So,
Creaming the sugar and butter together.
yeah, I'm toasting the bread. Oh. Dude, one hand.
Not this one.
Oh,
Not this one.
cracked under pressure.
Next
Here's
one.
my toast.
Get it?
Boom.
Get it. Cracked.
Do it, dude. Do it.
Okay.
Oh, only got half the shell in there. Nice. Toasted. So I've applied most of the peanut butter on my sandwich. Next, I'm gonna throw on some jelly. Boom. Done with cheese. Done and time. Time.
Not close at all.
It took me 15 seconds to throw this together.
Yeah, it just took you fucking 20 minutes to film all that, huh?
Yeah. Because I have peanut butter on my hands, dude.
Come here.
Come here. Let me look it up. Taste test. Yeah, that's good. That's
You want to taste mine?
no, not really.
Well, you got
But
it.
this is good. But this is
You
good.
got it.
All right, cool. We'll get back to it. I guess only the finest of blueberries are going in these muffins.
Mom never loved me.
Yeah, I'm done. I had mine. It's looking pretty. I don't know. He forgot a few ingredients.
I did not.
It's a bit of say this. All right, Chef Ramsay would be in a tizzy right now.
Tizzy.
Yeah.
Tizzy, mate.
So I don't know. Excuse me. There's still hope. There's still hope for Kevin. But as far as the time category, my sandwich has him beat. My PB&J sandwich has him beat. But me and him both knew going into this is going to be a battle of taste. Unfortunately, I forgot to give some of my sandwich to Kevin, so it looks like I'm going to be the only one trying both. So I guess I'll have the final say in whose is better. I'm not biased. I'm not biased.
Let me try it.
But
Let me have it.
no, I just forgot to offer.
I asked and you said no.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah. You're right, actually. You're right.
I didn't want it anyways.
Yeah. I didn't give him it because I was trying to teach him a lesson that he could do it in as little as time as I did, with as little as effort as I did. Boom. Affordable. Disaster in Kevin's kitchen. He broke the spatula. Jeez. Sheesh. Gotta salt the muffins.
Oh fuck, this is salt.
Mmm.
Just letting the sugar get into my blisters.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Nice, dude. Nice.
Is the oven all the way on?
Yeah, it's up. It's on there. Nice.
You gotta see this.
It's getting there.
There's like $1 or something.
Yeah? What do you think?
Muffin.
Here's what, actually. Here's what the muffin looks like when it's not ripped in half. And that's what it looks like when it is. So I'm gonna taste it. Pretty fucking good. Very good. I give that a gold star.
Oh, thank you.
That's what's up. I'm gonna finish this muffin, then give the full review.